Garlic is a widely used ingredient in cooking and is prized for its ability to add flavor to a wide variety of dishes. It is used in cuisines from around the world, including Italian, Asian, Mediterranean, and many others. Garlic is a plant in the allium, onion, family, and it is primarily known for its culinary and medicinal uses. It is characterized by its distinctive pungent aroma and strong, savory flavor. Garlic is native to Central Asia and has been cultivated for thousands of years. Here are some key characteristics and uses of garlic. Garlic has a long history of use in traditional medicine systems, including Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. It has been used to treat various ailments and is often considered a natural remedy for colds, coughs, and digestive issues. Garlic is a plant in the onion family grown for its distinctive taste and health benefits. It forms sulfur compounds, which experts believe to be responsible for many health benefits. Are you ready to add more garlic to your daily routine? Continue watching this video to learn. What happens if you eat garlic every day? Let's take a look at how to eat garlic daily to make the most of its health benefits. Ayurvedic expert, incorporating garlic into your regular diet can provide a range of health benefits, including promoting heart health, controlling diabetes and lowering triglyceride levels. While raw garlic may not be palatable for everyone, there are several delicious and effective ways to consume garlic and maximize its benefits. Raw garlic on an empty stomach. Eating raw garlic on an empty stomach can help lower cholesterol levels and promote heart health. Allicin, a compound found in raw garlic, is known for its cholesterol-lowering and blood-thinning properties. To experience these benefits, simply eat a few cloves of raw garlic with a glass of water in the morning. Allicin gets diluted when cooked, so the ideal way to ingest garlic is to eat it raw and on an empty stomach. Therefore, eating raw garlic with a glass of water is the greatest way to promote heart health and manage diabetes while retaining the most nourishment. If you worry about garlic breath, you can consume it with lemon, apple cider vinegar or hot water to manage it. Garlic is highly nutritious but has very few calories. Garlic is not only a flavorful culinary ingredient but also a nutritious one. It's rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and beneficial compounds while being low in calories and fat. Incorporating garlic into your diet can not only enhance the taste of your dishes but also provide a range of potential health benefits. A single clove, about 3 grams, contains 4.5 calories, 0.2 grams of protein, and 1 gram of carbs. It may help your immune system. Garlic is rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C and selenium. Antioxidants help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress, which can weaken the immune system. Garlic may help support your immune system. It contains antioxidants that protect cells, anti-inflammatory properties, and compounds like allicin with antibacterial and antiviral potential. While garlic can be part of a healthy diet, it's not a standalone immune-boosting solution. A balanced lifestyle with nutritious food, exercise, sleep, and stress management is crucial for a strong immune system. It may reduce blood pressure. Billions of people worldwide suffer from high blood pressure or hypertension. Diet can play a role in preventing and reducing high blood pressure. The active compound in garlic, allicin, may help reduce blood pressure by promoting blood vessel relaxation, vasodilation, improving endothelial function, and providing antioxidant support. While garlic can be a natural way to lower blood pressure, it should complement, not replace. Prevention of heart disease with garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has antioxidant properties. These antioxidants are known to help lower levels of total cholesterol and LDL, low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol, commonly referred to as bad cholesterol. Elevated LDL cholesterol is a risk factor for heart disease. By consuming garlic, you may contribute to maintaining a healthier cholesterol profile. To maximize the potential benefits of garlic, it is important to consume it raw or semi-cooked. Allicin, the sulfur-containing compound responsible for many of garlic's health benefits, can lose its medicinal properties when garlic is cooked whole. Therefore, incorporating raw or lightly cooked garlic into your diet can be a more effective way to derive its cardiovascular benefits. While garlic offers numerous potential health benefits, it's important to be aware of some health considerations and potential risks associated with its consumption. Garlic in small doses, especially those found in food, is safe to consume for most. although consuming garlic in larger amounts as a supplement may come with some side effects. For certain individuals, raw or consuming an excess of garlic may potentially result in digestive discomfort. This discomfort can manifest as sensations of bloating, increased gas, or occasional heartburn. Garlic used in food and cooking is safe to consume for most people. However, consuming larger amounts of garlic as supplements may have some side effects. Consult with a healthcare provider before adding any supplements to your routine. Thank you for joining me in this video today. I hope you found the information valuable and insightful. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Remember, health and wellness are journeys, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, take care and stay healthy.